Have you ever wondered why some legal disputes end with a monetary settlement while others lead to jail time? This intriguing dichotomy arises from the fundamental distinction between civil and criminal law. Imagine a bustling cityscape. Civil law is like the intricate network of buildings and roads, the everyday structures that facilitate our interactions and transactions. It covers areas such as contracts, property, and family law. If two parties have a disagreement over a contract, or if someone's negligence causes harm to another, civil law steps in. It's about resolving disputes between individuals or organizations and seeking redress, often in the form of monetary compensation. On the other hand, criminal law is like the city's police force and justice system, maintaining order and protecting society from harm. It comes into play when someone commits a crime, an act that is not just harmful to an individual, but to the community at large. Criminal law addresses offenses against the state and society, aiming to punish individuals for their crimes through measures like imprisonment or fines. Now let's delve a bit deeper. In a civil case, the party who brings the lawsuit, the plaintiff, holds the burden of proof. They must convince the court that, on the balance of probabilities, their version of events is more likely to be true. It's akin to a set of scales. Whichever side weighs heavier, wins. In contrast, a criminal case has a higher threshold. The prosecution must prove the defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. It's not enough to show that the defendant is probably guilty. There must be such compelling evidence that there's no plausible reason to doubt their guilt. The outcomes in civil and criminal cases also differ significantly. A civil case typically results in compensatory damages, a monetary award to make up for the harm suffered. It's like fixing a broken window. The goal is to restore what was lost. In contrast, a criminal case may result in punitive measures like imprisonment, fines, or community service. These are not just about compensating for harm done, but serve as a deterrent for the offender and others, to uphold public order and morality. In summary, civil and criminal law serve different but complementary roles in our legal system. Civil law helps maintain the fabric of our everyday interactions, resolving disputes and providing remedies. Criminal law protects society from harm, punishing offenses against the state and acting as a deterrent to uphold public order. The burden of proof and the outcomes vary, reflecting the distinct purposes of these two branches of law. Understanding these differences not only demystifies the legal process, but also underscores the importance of a balanced justice system in maintaining societal order and fairness. And with that, we've unraveled the intriguing dichotomy between civil and criminal law.